Hey, what's up guys? So this is the Infiniti Pro by Conair blower. So this enhance your natural curls and waves. It's a 3-piece set. It's 1875 watts texture styling system. You can see a little more information about the diffuser. Standard diffuser can blow out your curls, causing frizz. This innovation diffuser brings out your best frizz-free curl and waves. Okay, there's a little more in the back. Show you the 3 pieces right here. So you got the diffuser, then you have your concentrator, so it's for more like straight hair blowing. Then you can see here is a powerful AC motor, innovative diffuser. Okay, it's 3 heat, 2 speeds, 2 cold shot button, lock in your curls, and a removable filter. Okay, so let's get it open. Okay, first, this is your diffuser. Get that? Connects right into your blower. Very nice. This is your other tip. You could probably do straight hair, concentrate in certain spots, stuff like that. You have a blower. The blower got a little breaker basically. So this is your blower. Very, very nice. You have your settings here. Hot, warm, cold. Hot, warm, cool, high, low, and off. Okay. So hear how it sounds. That's hot. You got your cool button. Warm, cool, low, high. Very nice. Very nice. If you decide to use this one, it clips in just like that. Okay, if you try to use your diffuser, lock it in. Hot. Cool. And you have a cool button here. Very, very nice. Very nice. My wife is going to be happy now. Awesome.